capital deepening at saka capital widening. So yung capital deepening, yun yung nag-i-increase ka ng resources. No? Nag-i-increase ka ng resources para tumaas yung para mag-increase yung labor productivity mo. You acquire technology, you acquire equipment, you acquire tools. So yun yung capital widening, no? So, nag-expand yung business mo. Nag-acquire ka ng properties, nag-acquire ka ng buildings, di ba? Capital deepening. Pero pag sinabi mo namang capital widening, habang dumadami yung tao mo, dumadami yung labor force, dumadami din yung kung anong meron ka, kung ano yung asset ng business. So, yun yung dapat natin maintindihan. Capital widening at saka capital deepening. Importante. Economics concept yan. So, economics. So, business and management plug na naman to. So, yun lang po.